The dashboard is a very useful feature in JobPro where you can click on any screen that you're currently on. There's a dashboard button down the bottom, and in here we can see various parts of the system that have outstanding requirements, like any inquiries that need to be followed up on, any jobs that are current or not started, any tasks that need to be complete, quotations that need to be submitted, sales orders, any purchase orders as well that haven't been received, shipping that's not yet complete, and maybe any invoices that haven't been paid. So pretty much all parts or important parts of the system that have outstanding items will appear on the dashboard. So when you come into the dashboard, you can do things like filter out by my name. So for example, we've logged in as Joe Blogs. We'll click on the filter. So now all the filters are set to Joe Blogs, and the information will just be relevant to that person. Now you can manually change in here as well to view other relevant employees or staff and their areas. And there is an access privilege controlling users whether they can or can't change the filter for these areas, both on the dashboard and in other parts of the system. You can also clear the filters as well if you just like to view all information. You can also filter these portals by the identity. Now an identity is something like a multi-company feature, multi-store, multi-branch or multi-office. In this sample data we've just set up one company in the system, but you might have multiple companies, and then you can filter out in here based on what company or store or branch or department that you currently want to look at. From the dashboard, if we want to view any of the information that we're looking on screen, we can click on a line and we're brought straight to that. So the dashboard is like a mini version of the quick view area on the home screen. So we return back home. This area here on the home screen we refer to as the quick view area, and for any of the modules that have an arrow, these are like quick views into those areas. So for example, if we click on jobs, this is like an expanded or larger version of what you see on the dashboard.